Good morning to all of you. Today I am here to discuss the mechanism of hormonal action. Hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers that are produced by the endocrine glands. They are released into the bloodstream directly instead of through ducts. They regulate various body functions such as growth, reproduction, digestion. Hormones are target specific and binds to the specific receptor. On the basis of chemical compositions, hormones are of three types: protein hormones, steroid hormones, derivatives of tyrosine. First, protein hormones. These hormones are soluble in water. They are easily transported in the blood. It is secreted by pituitary gland, parathyroid gland, and pancreas and placenta. Steroid hormones. These hormones are not soluble in water. First, it binds to the plasma proteins and then transported to their target organ. It is secreted by adrenal cortex, gonads, and placenta. Third, derivatives of tyrosine. Two types of hormones, namely thyroid hormones and adrenal medullary hormones, are derived from the amino acid tyrosine. Mechanism of hormone action. Before we understand the mechanism of hormone action, let us look at what are hormone receptors. Each hormone has a receptor that are found on the cell membrane of the target organ. Once the hormone binds to its receptor, a series of actions are initiated to release secondary messengers inside the cell. These secondary messengers are responsible for relaying information to the nucleus or other organelles. Based on their structure, receptors are of two types: internal receptor, external receptor. Internal receptor can be either nuclear or cytoplasmic. Nuclear receptor found on nuclear membrane, cytoplasmic receptor found in cytoplasm of the cell. These receptors are for the steroid hormones. External receptor. External receptors are transmembrane receptors which are embedded in the lipid layer of the cell membrane. These receptors are for the protein ones. On the basis of binding of hormone on their specific receptor, the mechanism of hormonal action is categorized into two groups. First, fixed membrane receptor mechanism. Second, mobile receptor mechanism. Fixed membrane receptor mechanism. It is also known as serpentine receptors. The hormones that are protein or amines in composition, such as growth hormone, insulin, FSH, shows this mechanism of action. Binding of hormone, that is FSH, on a specific receptor on target cell activates the enzyme adenylyl cyclase in the cell membrane and cause production of cyclic AMP with the help of ATP. Cyclic AMP acts as a secondary messenger and it activates various enzymatic reactions to cause biochemical responses. Biochemical responses produce physiological responses, that is ovarian. Second is mobile receptor mechanism. This mechanism is shown by the lipid soluble hormones such as steroid hormones and fatty acid hormones. The receptor hormone complex initiates transcription of DNA to form a specific mRNA. mRNA initiates protein synthesis in the cytoplasm. The protein enzyme causes biochemical changes in the cell and it produces physiological responses.